It's Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day, Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. He died and now he's back, hooray! It's Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. Om nom 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 nom. I'm no one's theologian, but it's always struck me odd how we celebrate the resurrection of the Son of God by pigging out on chocolate eggs till we can hardly see. If that's the way you want to do it, that's alright with me. On Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day, Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. Ain't half a stone, but it's okay on Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. Om nom 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 nomine particit filii et spiritus sancti. On the third day Christ the Saviour crawled out of the tomb, so the faithful half their body weight in sugar might consume. So even though your guts are aching, no time to complain. Eat chocolate eggs until you puke or Jesus died in vain. On Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day, Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. Feel your molars rot away on Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day, Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. My innards are in disarray on Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day, Zombie Jesus Chocolate Day. Happy Zombie Chocolate Jesus Day.
This video was made possible by the supporters of my Patreon program.